this session by thanking whoever has tuned in today to this live session. And so let's dive deep into it. Today I'm starting with GBPJPY. So my bias on GBPJPY, I'm bullish actually. So on GBPJPY, I'm bullish as you see, but let me first take you through our previous session. So previously I shared the setup. When you check our previous live session, we shared the setup that price was somewhere here, and we shared that we were to take our trade from this point. So this is the setup we had here live on. If you check our previous session, we are to enter here, and so price actually didn't touch the zone and it reacted, leaving us without having an entry on Y as per our live session was. And so my next setup on GBPJPY, I'm actually bullish. As you see, I'm expecting for price to come to this zone. It might be that Monday New York or Tuesday New York. I'm expecting for price to touch our zone here. It's where I'm expecting to react further buys. So GBPJPY, I'm bullish. I'm fully bullish. This is what I'm expecting for GBPJPY. I'm expecting for further buys, and yes, I set a limit around. So just make sure that you mark levels around. So this is where I placed my limit at 190.55.550. That's where I placed my limit. So when price reaches among those areas, I'm gonna be so vigilant. So confirmation during near these areas, I'll be in, and I'm bullish for GBPJPY. As you can see, this is purely market structure: higher highs, higher low, break of structure. This is a break of structure, retest, and then fly higher. So as you see, liquidity is already gonna be generated from this point here. We're gonna fill this fair value gap, and so I'll be taking my trade in this supply zone, in this demand zone that we have right here. Yeah, so let's head further to gold and we see. So for gold I'm actually bearish. I'm so bearish. So we shall first again see what we shared previously. When you check our previous live session, we were bearish still. So we shared this trade here live in the previous session, and we were like, price was to retest this zone here, this supply zone in some other block which was here, and so we were bearish on this on Saturday, on the previous live session. So yes, let's see how it played. So gold is actually bearish. As you see, I took this trade also. It was some other trade that I took that Saturday, but yes, I was stopped out. As you see, I stopped out. I didn't realize the liquidity. There was no liquidity that was taken off from this point, and so this zone here had to be induced. So that's what I didn't see, and so I was induced, and I lost this next trade. This next trade you see here, and so my bias on gold this time round bearish. As you see, I'm expecting price to take off this previous high, the last week's high, that Friday high. I'm expecting price to take it over, and I will be having further sales on gold to some zone here where I will be having the bulls. I'm expecting bulls to take over here once again to continue the gold bull runs. So I'll be having a buy from this point, but as for Monday, I'm bearish. I'm expecting price to retest this zone here and take further bears. So for whoever, so special thanks to whoever is tuning in for the second time, and for those who were new to these live sessions. So we usually host live sessions every Saturday evening, and if you haven't subscribed, you may subscribe and like. Thank you for visiting today's live session. So if you're not in our WhatsApp group where we take Forex discussions, and you may join us through the link in the description of this video. Thanks for tuning in once again. I'm Jonathan. Thank you.